everyone, so welcome to today's video. We are decorating my house for fall today, and I wanted to show you some of my arrangements that I have on my coffee table, one that I have on the fireplace, on my dining table, and kind of just give you some tips along the way of decorating and simple things, because I don't decorate a whole lot. I don't go crazy on the inside or outside of my home for each of the holidays. I think the only one that I go a little crazy on is Christmas because we love Christmas in this house. Who doesn't, right? So this time around, we're doing some fall decorations. I'm busting out some pumpkins, and I do have plans on redecorating my front porch, but I haven't gotten around to doing that. And I also wanted to share with you some really simple, just DIY things that you could do. I got these little cute vase filler, bowl filler. I'm not quite sure exactly what they're called. Doesn't have a name on it. I got these from Pier, and I am showing you what I'm going to do with these in some beautiful lanterns that I bought also at Pier. So I'm going to take you through all of that. Kind of a DIY. Didn't spend a whole lot of money. Just wanted to kind of revamp and add some small touches of fall throughout my home, but without going too crazy. And so I'm going to share with you guys some tips along the way. So I hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you want to see my decorations, then let's get started. Okay, so here's a look at all the supplies that I picked up to do this first DIY centerpiece on my coffee table. I got some pumpkins, pine cones, some that are bronze, some that are copper. I even added some cotton into it, and then you'll see me kind of working all of these pieces together, and then these velvet pumpkins, which are so cute. And here's just an up-close detail shot of the actual pine cones. They have that metallic kind of shimmer to them, which is really nice, and that's why I chose these from Hobby Lobby. So I have this little centerpiece here with some scented pine cones, and you can find them anywhere, and they smell like cinnamon, and you can actually smell it when you walk into the room. It's amazing. So I'm gonna just kind of work some of these pieces, and you'll see me here playing around with some of the acorns. They have mini sizes, larger sizes, some pine cones that are metallic painted, which are really cool, and these little white pumpkins from Pier 1 are just precious. And I'm gonna add just a few of those and kind of scatter them around. And something like this is really easy to do because you just kind of add things, and then you kind of take a step back and move things around, and you just kind of make it work until you get it to where you like it. So then I added some orange pumpkins because I wanted some orange kind of fallish colors. So I think it came out pretty good, and so this is kind of like the main centerpiece in my living room. So then I have these little twinkle lights that I also got from Hobby Lobby, and I like these because you can change the way it twinkles. It can be like just on solid or like blinking. So I'm hiding the battery pack, and what's cool about this is that the actual wire is copper as well, so it kind of adds to some of the colors, and it goes with what I have in this little basket. So I didn't have to worry too much about actually hiding the wiring of the lights, and these are so easy to do, and you can put it on a timer and you can see it just sort of bring this to life and make this centerpiece look even more beautiful. And then this is a closer shot of everything that I've got in here, a mixture of different size pine cones, pumpkins, different textures, just really, really easy to do, and it took just a few minutes to actually put together. And then here's what it looks like at night when all the lights are down, and you can see that kind of ethereal glow, which I absolutely love. Then I'm going into my second DIY, and this is just a little glass vase to be fancy that I've had for so many years. And what I did was I just took some of these extra pieces that I had left over, and this one I decided to use the cotton. I didn't really like it too much in the first centerpiece, so that's why I'm using it in this one here. Again, another set of twinkle lights that I've had. I just put new batteries in it. I've got a bunch of these little twinkle lights for the holidays, so I just took one from my Christmas decor and added it to this, and again, it adds that sort of ethereal glow, especially when all the lights are off. And then here it is, all complete. You just throw everything in there, wrap some lights around it, and it could not be easier. Then for my living room, I didn't do too much for the actual couches. I have this pillow that I picked up at Walmart, and I decided to put it in the center. Sorry, the camera's a little shaky, but I am walking with the camera. I decided to put a different pillow in the center. This one says thankful, grateful, and blessed, and it's absolutely true, and it looks perfect in the living room. And here's the centerpiece that I've had for a few years that I got at Marshall's. This is on my dining table, and it's the softer colors, the more neutrals, but it has that rose gold vase, and then it has a little bit of pumpkin in there too, so it's really, really pretty. And let me show you how the lantern came out. Like I said, I bought these at Pier 1. It's not exactly white, it's more of like an off-white kind of beige color, and it has that rusty kind of old look, although it's not really rust, it's more gold, but it has that kind of old look to it, which I think is so cool. And then I bought these hooks off of Amazon. I went with black because I can't match exactly that tone of ivory of the lantern, so I thought black is the best way. And then I just took that little arrangement in the center of it, and it's pretty, it's done, and it took literally seconds to put together. Okay, so that is it. Those are my decorations. I know it's not a lot, and it's just a little bit that I did around the house, and not going too crazy because I know that I'm going to probably take some of these things down or put them away to bring out some of my Halloween things, and then of course Christmas stuff in November. So I don't plan on leaving these out for a whole lot of time, but some of these things will be year-round, like the little pom-poms. I call them pom-poms. I'm not really sure what they're called. The little decorative little balls with flowers and the pine cones and all the fall colors in the lanterns. I can leave those up for several months, and the good thing about those lanterns, as I mentioned in the video, that you can buy those lanterns and put them up in certain areas of your home and then change out the inside of them for the corresponding holiday, which I think is really fun. I do have plans on changing these out. I have 2 of these in my living room, and I have just like these little lavender decorations that I got from Joann's, and I plan on adding something very fall appropriate to those. And if these had a way for me to hang it, I would actually just put one of these instead there, or maybe 2 of them, one on the top, one towards the bottom. That would be really pretty. Just something really simple, and it doesn't cost a fortune. Like these little pom-poms are $7.99 a piece, so really affordable to do some just revamping around the home and just to kind of add a little bit of that fall kind of vibe to the home. We are definitely experiencing cooler temperatures here in Colorado. This morning it was 57 when we got up, so it's a little bit crisp and it was a little bit cool inside the home. So I'm really excited because I love fall. I think it's beautiful, especially here in the mountains. Fall is absolutely beautiful and breathtaking on the mountains. So I'm excited for it. Not excited for the really cold snow that's coming. We're probably going to have some snow in October. I'm going to just call it and say we're expecting snow in October. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen, but who knows? So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was very quick, very simple, just super easy to do. You can find these things at your local Hobby Lobby. Check your Walmart stores, go online, Pier 1, lots of places. Even Target has decorations that you can incorporate, just a different mixture of things, different textures as well, like the velvet pumpkins, which are so cute, the pine cones, regular ones, metallic ones. You can even buy some and spray paint them yourself if you wanted to, make it more fun. And if you have kids, get the kids involved as well. It's super easy and simple to do, and it adds that fall feel to your home. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video, and let me know what you want to see next in my next video. Follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. You know where to find me. I hope to see you there. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.